Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 54 right here. And let's see, yes, here are the parts that we get with this issue. It looks like we've got some more dome pieces and part of the leg. So let's get it open and let's see what we got. Okay, so here are the parts we get with this issue. We've got 3 more dome panels. If you take a real close look at these, they're a little wider on the bottom and thinner on top, and that's how you know which direction they go. You can also flip them over, and there is some writing towards the top edge, so that will help with orientation. You got 2 more pieces of double-sided sticky tape. You have the outer wheel mounting plate and a bearing. You're also going to need a whole bunch of stuff from previous issues, including the outer dome here, and we're going to need the left leg assembly built so far, and we're going to need the axle and the bearing from the previous issues, and the wheel from the previous issue as well as 4 4mm screws. Okay, for the dome panels, we're going to be doing this exactly the same way as we did with the last one. We're going to start where the last one is, we're going to move to the left. And it's these 3 holes that these 3 panels are going to go in. The double-sided tape is going to cover all 3, so 1 strip on the top, 1 strip on the bottom, and then we just push the panels in. And there you have it. The 3 new panels are complete. Now, you can, if you so desire, test fit this on the dome frame. And if you look, you've got a keyed protrusion here that this will fit right over. So if you want to do that, and it's totally up to you, it is not necessary at this stage, but I think it makes for easier storage as well as simply looking quite cool. Alright, for the next step, we're going to attach the wheel to the left leg here. And to do that, we'll flip this assembly over, and we're going to take the smaller bearing. We're going to throw that puppy in right there. And we're going to take the axle. We're going to push it through the wheel. Now, instructions don't actually specify, but they do show that the axle is being pushed through, so the post comes through where the screw holes are. And then you set that in so that it lines up with the bearing, just like that. Next up, you take the larger bearing and you just slip that around there. And then you can fit this piece here. And you'll notice there is a post here and a post here. And that's going to go in the center hole here and here, so that the screw holes line up just like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 4mm screws. And there you have it. The wheel is attached and it is spinning just fine. So things are definitely looking up, and there goes the bearing. So be careful with that, because that does slip right out of that hole for the moment. Obviously, that'll be fixed in later issues when we get the motor. And that actually completes stage 54. And another incredible issue completed. I'm particularly happy with the way the dome is coming along. It's definitely looking incredible. But also great to see we're making progress on the leg as well. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.